Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Gadgets Finder channel. In this particular video, we are going to see how to pair a Bluetooth headphone with your Garmin Venu 3 or Venu 3S watch. So the first thing we'll do to start the pairing is like to go long hold on the bottom most button, and then I'll go to the tap the settings, and scroll down, we'll go to the music and this headphones, and I'll say add new. So now it says that you have to put your headphones in a pairing mode to continue. So what I'll do is I'll bring my Powerbeats headphone, like which I'm going to pair in this video. So I turn this on and put it in a pairing mode. So I start it, and I need to make sure that this is in a pairing mode. So the light has to be blinking, so I'll go again, try again. And then you can see the light blinking. So at this point I can say yes here, and it starts searching for the headphones. And it says it found Powerbeats. So let's say select it. That's it. And then you should see this Powerbeats connected, and you can see in the Powerbeats like it's not blinking anymore, and the light has gone solid. And then if you see, you should be able to see this on your headphones option going forward and showing connected here. So this is a very simple way to find and add your headphones. So once you connected your headphone to your watch, you can play your music directly from your watch to your headphone without needing a phone in between. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.